A century before large dams, a staggering shift in water levels carved landscapes and destinies across a rising nation, leaving clues in the land and lore for generations. The story centers on an enormous, slow spill from a giant lake that stretched far beyond today's borders, reshaping rivers, migrating species, and the very roots of early explorers. As communities adapted, engineers and scientists pieced together sedimentary whispers to map a future where water would power industry, caution, and policy. Yet the true impact lies not in the flood, but in the resilience of those who learned to live with it. The tale ends with a quiet reminder that nature's quiet upheavals can redraw a nation's architecture and identity.